In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in Microsoft Teams while still seeing the participants. Let's get started by opening up Microsoft Teams. Whether you're on the desktop application or using the web version, the steps are essentially the same. First, navigate to your Calendar tab. This is where you'll find all your scheduled meetings at a glance, making it a convenient starting point. Once you're in the calendar, go ahead and click on the meeting you wish to join. This meeting could be one you've scheduled yourself or one that you've been invited to. Entering the meeting is quite straightforward. Look for the Join button and click on it. By doing this, you're essentially jumping right into the session itself. Upon joining, you'll see an option that says Join Now. By clicking this, you're confirming your entrance into the meeting. It's that easy, and you're now part of the live session. At this stage, it's important to set up your view so that you can see the participants while sharing your screen. You'll want to click on the Gallery View option. This helps in arranging the video feeds of the participants in a more balanced manner. Next, locate the More Options menu, which is represented by 3 dots. This menu offers additional settings to customize your meeting experience. Within this menu, there's a feature called Show Gallery on Right. By enabling this, the video feeds of other participants will shift to the right-hand side of your screen. This view is crucial because it allows you to maintain visual contact with attendees even as you share your content. Now you're ready to share your screen. Look for the Share button, represented by an upward arrow inside a box. Clicking on this will bring up a panel with various sharing options. You can share your entire screen, a specific window, or perhaps a particular tab if you're using a browser. Choose the most suitable option for your needs, keeping in mind what you want your audience to see. A useful tip here is to double check that your shared content is visible to all participants. Occasionally, there might be a slight delay, so it's worth asking if everyone can see your screen correctly. This helps ensure there are no disruptions and that all participants are aligned with what you're presenting. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to share your screen in Microsoft Teams while still having a view of the participants. This dual view is remarkably helpful for presentations and discussions where seeing facial reactions and maintaining engagement is key. Thank you for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more helpful tips and tricks on mastering Microsoft Teams.